Bitcoin gone wild this year, with the crypto coin now at more than 100% after crashing from its all-time high back of 20K back in 2017. Despite surging 52% in a month, Bitcoin now appears stuck at the 8K level as investors wonder what the next big driver could be. Who better to break it down than our very own Bitcoin baller, Brian Kelly? What could it be, Brian?
Well, there's a couple things going on. So let's break down what the market's been anticipating. First of all, you're starting to get that long-waited for institutional adoption. Fidelity is rolling out institutional custody. They're getting customers. People are starting to buy at institutions. Retail anticipation. We saw from TD Ameritrade. They invested in ErisX. They're going to start opening crypto trading, Bitcoin trading to their retail customers over the coming months, perhaps 3 to 6 months or so. People are anticipating that. But the big picture here is we're starting to enter this cycle where you get a supply cut. Every 4 years, the supply of Bitcoin gets cut in half. You generally have a rally a year into it and a year out of it. And so we're just at the beginning of that stage. So you've got this combination of a lot of demand coming in, and we're heading into a period where we're going to have supply cut, and that's generally very bullish for it. The one last thing I would add, just as a PSA, while we're down at these levels, please size this appropriately. It's a risky thing, 1 to 5% of your portfolio. And when it goes higher and you buy it at the top, don't tell BK that I bought too much. Buy it here.
That's called that. Is it called the halvening also?
It's called the halvening.
Why is that happening?
So the software itself, every 4 years, will cut the mining rewards in half. That's how the software is designed. So that's what you've seen in 2012, 2016, and now coming up in May of 2020.
The miners are hoarding it.
The miners, right. So now I've talked to a lot of miners around the world. A lot of them have said, we've sold enough Bitcoin to get us through the next year or so. We are going to hoard Bitcoin at this point in time. We're not going to sell it, and that supply is going to get cut in half. So it's just real simple economics, right? Lots of demand, hitting little supply, price goes higher.